Ublaloatak. Kanuik busy. Today is Monday. What day? All day today, let's be. Always do. Cooperate. And let's treat everyone with, including ourselves. Let's warm up our brains with some sorting. Point to the correct word. Regulated or dysregulated? 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 Hey, I noticed a lot of you hesitated on this one. That's right, it could be either one based on how she's feeling. We've spent a lot of time thinking and talking about what it feels like to be regulated. Let's do a bottom to top check. Feet relaxed, legs relaxed. Check your waist. Breathe in, relax your chest. Relax your shoulders. Shake your arms. Loosen up your neck. Couple deep breaths. If you feel calm and peaceful, you're probably regulated. Feel it around you. If other people are regulated, you can almost feel it in the air. It's a really good, pleasant feel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can tell if you're dysregulated. The first place you can check is your own body, and your body will give you some clues. We'll call these body cues, okay? If you find your fists going like this, you could be dysregulated. If you find your shoulders tight, if you find your jaw tight, this muscle right here, clench your jaw, that could be a sign. If you find your face getting hot, that's a sign, could be a sign. If you find your breathing going quicker, that could be a sign. If you find yourself using a loud voice, you could possibly be dysregulated. Or if you find yourself kind of starting to move and not sure why, you could be dysregulated. Take a look at the list over here and consider if you've ever experienced that. Pause the video here and tell a partner or your classmates which one of these you might feel or have felt when you're getting dysregulated. Another clue to being dysregulated is the things you're thinking inside your head. Now, this is going to be very personal. I'll give you some sample statements, but you might think something completely different. And let's see what we can figure out. Here's some possible thought clues. I can't handle this. It's not fair. No way. I don't care. You're done. Pause the video here and talk about some things you might think of or say inside your head when you're feeling dysregulated. See what other people do. See what your teacher does. We can learn a little bit about each other here and find some good clues. A third set of clues comes from the actions that you take. So let's look at some possibilities. Some action clues could be things like, yelling or hollering, grabbing things, throwing things, hitting others, pushing or fighting, tearing things up, knocking things over. Another one that's missing from the list is leaving, having to get out of the space, walk away. Stop and think and tell a friend or your teacher what are the things you might do, the actions you might do when you're feeling dysregulated. Dysregulation can look a lot of different ways. It might be lots of action. You might move, get loud, interact, be impulsive. This was the grab, hit type of action. Or it could be completely the opposite, and it could be a shutdown. Your body would be slumped over. You might want to lay down. Your head would feel foggy, and you would want things quiet. So we have two extremes: dysregulation that shows lots of action, and dysregulation that's shut down. Our question for today is, where are you? Are you more like action, more like shutdown, or somewhere in between? Talk with friends and your teacher. When you get dysregulated, what does it usually look like? Thank you for talking about all these important things today, and have a wonderful Monday.